Good morning, all trader and everyone around the world, especially in the US. And we got really good looking for the market today. So today is January 31st, actually, the last day. And we're going to have like the first day of next month of February. Oh my goodness, I can't imagine. So, and big company, special as Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Google, and we have all the indicators in healthcare, consumer service, communication, oil, energy, and specialist industry, real estate, utility, and all the basic goods as software or in finance, credit service, with everything up today. Especially right now is pretty high, perfect good looking. So Dow Jones we getting right now is 563 point, Nasdaq 417 point, and SB 500 105 point, and pretty high right now. Information technology is 4.33%, and we get really high. And the trending for today is Tesla, Apple, BAC, Amazon, and NVDA, AMGN, and AMD, especially Microsoft, Netflix, F-Farm, Nike. Even though no Facebook, I'm not recommend, and UPS. And so you can see all the charts over there, and especially V is like $200 something with Apple, $107, $70. Those pretty high, but especially we get today is we're going to buy pretty good looking stock. And today also new from they all the markets like super green, and when the indicators change, especially Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 change, and we got pretty good overview, and the whole country gained up like over 1,000 points. That's mean $1,000 million. On what you need to know in those number on the chart, unless you know those there's 100 index, pretty good, and especially strong sell today. Really strong sell today, and in the end of today, the market will drop crazily. Even though you have some money and you want to get out, today is good opportunity to get out. All the market future right now, and I think the Dow Jones will going down, and S&P 500 will go down, but not that still hanging up there, and Russell is going down. That's already 0.25%. And S&P 500 still there. And the CAC 40 still there. And the Europe look pretty good. But especially China gained some. And the morning portfolio. The market overview show up Tesla pretty good, and all the indicators gain up perfectly, and currencies kind of it's not that much. But anyway, the gold gain up today, and especially energy gain up 1.72%. Remember, this one is the US number. And we're not talking much, like this the stock around the world, but we are focused on the US, and especially grains. It's getting at 0.6%, and 0.60, yes, of course. Light starts 0.59, so it's not that bad. And especially metals, 0.56%, and another one is this kind of drop a little bit. But you can see the oil, gas, gold, and silver is always gained. And corn, wheat, and soybean, that's gained. And sugar and coffee is not that much. And we get pretty good decision and discussion and summaries. It look pretty good on NEO. And this company, the first one is NIO, and you guess from $20 to $19. So this cap is $33.24 billion, and especially right now, when you can see it's on the chart, 64 is the highest and 19 is the lowest one, and right now is 19.33, and right now it's around $20. I mean, $20 really good number to buy. You can imagine, like, if you buy this stock like over $40, $60. If you buy it for $60, then right now it's still like 30% of what you bought in $60. As mean they drop around 60%. So in order to do that and buy in the deep, even though this one, if I buy this one, I have to make at least $2. Yeah, $2 to $3 for a share for this stock. You know, every company trying to make money, every company trying to do their best, and especially now the EVs live, electric vehicle live, whatever, whoever, and whichever have a connection with EV car, have a connection with Elon Musk as Tesla CEO, then we have to focus about. And especially NIO is a China company, but you know, like, we try to make money and just go pretty quick. I'm not recommend everyone, you know, to hang around with like or a Chinese company, but like, you know, like, so why not? Especially we get the money from them, buy our knowledge. And we come back with the beta. Beta is 2.36. This look pretty good. And short rotation is 0.89. And the volume about 90-some to 50-some is not that bad. And especially this is the second company is Sophie. Sophie right now is around the lowest area, because the lowest is 10.5 and highest is 28.26. 28, and now it's like they always drop like half of them, and especially right now is in the lowest areas, and they opened yesterday. I mean, on Friday is around 11.3 to 34 to 36. No, that's not that bad. But when we compare right now, they will love lower than 11. And why don't we just set them up and cash their price lower than 11? We can buy this stock and sell our like $12 to $13. Because this stock, I have to make more than $2 in each share. Think about that. We get 100 shares, you make like $200, and you get 200 shares, you can make over $400. That's easy. And I got a lot of students get pretty good profits last week on this stock. They buy it, they sold it right away. Pretty good. They make $500 to $700 a day. That's pretty easy. And I'm going to buy this one. Remember, I share what I buy, and you choose what you buy. Just be careful with your financial, and remember, in order to do it, have to buy really slow. Take your time and buy them down. Remember, buy in the dip and sell when you have a profit. That's the key. Buy in the dip and sell it when you have a profit. Do not just, like, set up the big goal, because the market right now is, especially in, we call it like democratic war, and Just wait for the future, and the market will bump up. Hopefully, go vote in your area. Thank you very much, and see you guys tomorrow.